Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up your outbound message action automation for workflows, which is actually one of our trigger workflow app that you're about to install and connect to your agency. Let's get started. Inside your agency, you go at the app marketplace in order to search for the app. We get outbound, click on it, we go at install, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. So let's go for sub account 1. We continue, we go at allow and install, we choose the plan, we confirm it. We automatically open this new window in order to copy this custom menu link URL. We click on it, we make sure it's copied. We switch to the agency in order to create a custom menu link. We're back in the agency, we go at the settings, custom menu links, we go and create new. We have to fill this form and we're going to start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. We have different icons here. When we're done, we come here, we type a name for our custom menu link. For example, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. So if you guys decided to name your custom menu link My Tools, make sure you have My Tools. Down here, we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. We select a sub account where we want our tools to be available. When we're done, we come here, choose whether it's a particular user or to all users. We want to give access to all the information. When we're done, we make sure we save. The next step is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool. So let's do it right away. Inside the sub account, we go and look for the custom menu link that we created. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg App. So if you name your custom menu link My Tools, make sure you have My Tools here. So let's go on Greg App. We have apps available and connected apps. Let's search for outbound. It doesn't pop up. It means it's already connected. Let's go at the connected apps. There you go. We have outbound. Now the next step is to set it up. Let's go at the setup. The information required is to provide the email address. So let's type our email address and we submit. Bingo. The tool is now connected and we can trigger an action. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you guys.